Yes, my friends, I'm Professor Kumar and we are learning at Galaxy Online Learning, the venture of Galaxy Tutorials. So, we are seeing now in this exercise 1.4 of chapter number 1, Maharashtra State Board 10 Standard, linear equation in two variables, and this is lecture 3 on the chapter. In exercise 1.4, we have to solve, the simultaneous equation. They have given us 1, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is 15 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is 77, my friends. Now, this looks a bit troublesome because x is in the denominator. Don't worry, my friend. We will substitute it by different letters. Let 1 upon x be equal to m and 1 upon y be equal to n. Therefore, it is 2m minus 3n is 15 and 8m plus 5n is 77. How nice, my friends. You can see now it's become easy on the eyes and easy on the brain. Now we think we can solve it. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Then, going forwards, we will multiply equation 1, okay, by 4 so that I can get rid of the 2 and 8. So, multiplying equation 1 by 4, okay, I will have 8m, 8, 4 2s are 8, okay, and 4 3s are 12, and 4 15s are 60. Okay, correct? So this is my equation number 3. Now I will subtracting equation 3 from equation 2. I will get 8m plus 5n is 77 and minus 8m minus 12n is 60. We have to subtract, change the sign and add. This and this cancel and I will get, as you can see, 17n and I will get 17. Therefore, n is equal to 1. Yes, my friends? Substituting n is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So, I will go back to my original equation. 2m minus 3n is 15. Okay, my friends? So, you can see here 2m, therefore 2m is 18. Therefore, m is 9. I don't need m and n, my friends. I need x and y. Okay? Now, m is 9. Therefore, 1 upon x, do not forget, is 9. Therefore, x is 1 by 9. And n is 1. Therefore, 1 upon y is 1. Therefore, y is 1. Okay. So, answer is compulsory. X, y is solution set is 1 by 9 and 1, my friends. This is how to do the sum. Okay. Any question and difficulty? First, substitute. Get everything into the numerator and then we will work it like ordinary. We will re-replace it. Do not forget the re-substitution step. Your marks will go. Let us see a second sum. In the second sum, which I have, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is 4. And second one, 15 over x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is minus 2. This is the equation given to me, my friends. Now, as you can see, what I taught you, let 1 upon x plus y be m and 1 upon x minus y be n. Therefore, 10m plus 2n is 4, equation number 1, and 15m minus 5n is minus 2, equation number 2. We made it in a single line. And now we have to solve it simultaneously. So we will multiply equation 1, okay, by 5 and equation 2 by 2. So I will get 10 and 10, which will cancel. So multiplying equation 1 by 5, okay, I will get 50m plus 10n is 20. Okay, my friends? And multiplying equation 2 by 2, okay, I will get 30m minus 10n is minus 4. Perfect, my friends? Easier to do, moving very fast and very easy. Now we will add. Adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. I will have 50m plus 10n is 20, 30m minus 10n is minus 4. Cancel, I am adding. 80m is equal to 16. M is 16 upon 80. Okay, my friends. Now this is 16 ones are 16 fives are. That is 1 upon 5. That is how I got my m. Now substituting m is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 1. In the first equation, I am substituting m is equal to 5. Therefore, 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2n is 4. Equation 1. 5 2s are 10. So 2n is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. Therefore, n is 1. We do not need m and n, we need x and y. M is equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore, 1 upon x plus y is 1 upon 5. Yes, my friends? Okay? Invertendo. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 5. N is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 upon x minus 1 is 1, which you can take like this. Therefore, x minus y is 1. Now, friends, I have not got x and y yet, so we have to now solve these two also when we add. Okay, so now this is equation 5 and equation 6. Adding equations 5 and 6, I will get, when I add them, 2x is 6, therefore x is 3. And substituting x is 3 in equation 1, I will get y is equal to 2. So x comma y is 3 comma 2. This is how to solve the sum. So difficult it looked, so easy it was. Okay, we will move to the third subsum. So remember, for whatever denominator are same coefficients, substitute by m and n. Make them linear. Okay, next solve them like normal. Get m and n. Resubstitute. If directly you get better, no, you will get easier equations which in one step will give you the answer. Okay, these are 4 and 5 mark sums, so you should do it nicely. It's not difficult. Patience. Do not make mistake. There's no hurry up and no need to use your own knowledge. It does not require any further knowledge. It is step-by-step systematic. Let us see third. Third sum I am having says 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85, and 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is the sum, my friends. How do we go about it? Step number 1 does not change. Okay, let 1 upon x minus 2 be m and 1 upon y plus 3 be n. So I have 27m plus 31n is 85, equation 1, and 31m plus 27n is 89, equation 2. Now my friends, I taught you if numbers, coefficients are interchanged, we should first add and then subtract. It will make our lives easier. Otherwise, it's very difficult to get a big number. So, first adding 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. I get, when I add 58m plus 58n is, okay, and I divide by 58 all the sides, okay, and I will get m plus n is equal to 3. So equation number 3. 58 3s are 174. Now subtracting. Equation 2 from equation 1. I will have a 27m, or sorry, 1 from 2, because bigger number you will have all sign change. It will make no difference. I will have 31m plus 27n is 89, and 27m plus 31n is 85. Minus, 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 and then I add. So you can see 4m minus 4n is 4. M minus n is 1. Equation 4. Now I've got two equations. So adding equation 3 and equation 4, I get m plus n is 3. Okay, so equation 3 I took, then equation 4 I take. M minus n is 1. When I add 2m is 4, therefore m is 2. Substituting, m is 2 in equation, whichever is our simplest. You can even look at this equation 3. So 2 plus n is 3, therefore n is 1. Okay, now this is not solution as we already know. Therefore 1 upon x minus 2 is 2. Okay, 1 upon x minus 2 is m, is 2. Therefore 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, you can see by cross multiplying. Perfect. So 1 plus 4 is 2x. X is 5 by 2. This is how to get x. Then we have to do the n. Okay. And 1 upon y plus 3 is 1. Therefore, y plus 3 is 1. y is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Therefore, xy is represented by 5 by 2 and minus 2. This is how to find the solution. Okay, my friends? This is how to do the third sub-sum. We will go for the fourth sub-sum.